There are two types of people in this world. The first type spends their whole life chasing money, and the second type is money chasing them. What is the real difference between these two minds? Today, we are not going to talk about boring book rules. We are looking at the mental game that wealthy people keep secret. If you are still under 30 years old right now, these 5 simple rules can change your entire life. Rule 1. The delayed gratification. The waiting game. Rule number 1. Learn to say no to instant comfort. The moment we get our first paycheck, we want to spend it. A brand new phone, expensive clothes, or partying with friends. But a wealthy mind looks for ways to grow that money first. Rule 2. Assets vs liabilities. The pocket test rule. Number 2. Know where your money is actually going. If something takes money out of your pocket, it's a liability. If something puts money into your pocket, it is an asset. Buying a luxury car is a flex, not a real investment. Rule 3. The mindset shift: fear versus growth. Rule number 3. A poor mindset is always driven by fear. They constantly worry, what if I lose all my money? But a wealthy mindset focuses entirely on learning from mistakes. Stop fearing the loss and start focusing on the lesson. Rule 4. Social leverage, your circle. Rule number 4. Yes. Your daily gathering decides your future. If you sit in a room with 5 successful people, you are naturally going to become the 6th one. Give your time to people who actually want to grow. Rule 5. And OUTRO, the best investment, the final and most important rule. Invest in your own mind. Learn new skills, read good things, and build your confidence, because the biggest investment you can ever make is in yourself. If you want a better life, change your mindset today. If you want to understand the true power of your brain, make sure to subscribe to Human Mind Signals right now. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's train your mind for ultimate success together.